Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpus. So, we have a Rockstar update. I'm thinking if you need fast cash, fast money, and you want to sell your guitars, classical, acoustic, or electric guitar, I want the branded ones, I want the nice ones. So, if you need easy, fast cash, just sell it to me. Okay? Because I'm planning, it's like a pawn shop. I'm planning something. I want guitars. So, if you need money and you have like a very nice classical guitar owned by your great grandfather and it's still in very good condition, sell it to me. I'm gonna buy it at my price. Okay, don't be like oh, this one cost 100,000 pesos on Reverb. No, it's not. It's Louis Corpus price. It's gonna be fast cash. If we both agree, we'll both win. Because I'm gonna use that guitar also. Afterwards, I'm gonna sell it also. So if you need fast cash for your guitars, I want the branded nice ones, okay? Don't sell me something not nice. I want the branded ones. Just send me a message if you want to sell your guitars, acoustic, classical, electric, or don't sell me effects, pedals. I don't want effects or pedals. I want the clean sound of a guitar. My favorite guitar is a classical guitar, so I want the clean normal sound. I'm not a big fan of guitar effects, so sell me something and we will negotiate on the price. Also, if you have high-end boxing gloves that you want to sell and you really need money, just sell it to me. Send me a message. I want the Thai brands, any Thai brand, as long as it's still good. I want Japanese brand like Winning, Cleto Reyes. If we agree on the price, sell it to me. Okay? More blessings to all of us.